Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make Desi Murgi. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need about 2 pounds of fresh chicken, cut into medium pieces. We'll also use 2 large onions, 3 ripe tomatoes, and 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste. Don't forget your essential spices like turmeric, red chili powder, and garam masala for that authentic flavor. This recipe ensures a rich and aromatic curry every time. Now, let's get the chicken ready. Marinate your chicken pieces with a half cup of yogurt, 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, and a pinch of turmeric and red chili powder. Let it rest for at least 30 minutes. While it marinates, heat about 4 tablespoons of oil in a heavy-bottomed pot. Sauté your finely chopped onions until they are beautifully golden brown, then add the remaining ginger garlic paste and cook for 1 minute. Next, it's time to build those incredible flavors. Add your chopped tomatoes to the pot and cook them down until the oil begins to separate. Now, stir in all your dry spices, cooking for about 2 minutes until fragrant. Introduce the marinated chicken pieces, browning them evenly on all sides. Finally, pour in 1 cup of water, cover the pot, and let it simmer gently for 20 to 25 minutes until the chicken is tender. Almost there. Once the chicken is tender and the gravy has thickened to your liking, give it a final taste and adjust any seasoning if needed. A generous sprinkle of fresh chopped cilantro is essential for that perfect finish. Your delicious homemade Desi Murgi is now ready to be served. It pairs wonderfully with warm naan, soft roti, or fluffy steamed rice. Enjoy this truly authentic and flavorful meal.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.